Hello friends. So today we are going to solve one more problem for Leet code from the Leet code basically. So today the problem that we are going to solve is for add to number. Okay, let's go to this questions what it says. I'm just opening that one. Let's wait for some time to see when it load. Then we will see what the question it says, right? So since I think most of you are aware of this question, right? So what we are given, right? Like we have given two lists basically. Let's say some number, right, in the list, right? So if you see here, right, we have done a sum. So 5 plus 2, 7, 4 plus 6, 10. So 0, carry 1, and 4 plus 3, basically last to last, right? So it is 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. So now the number, right, what we are getting is 8807, right? Sorry, 708 basically in the list. So we are going to do the same. Okay, we are going to take the so basically as per the question, right, we are basically going to uh, add to list. Okay, and whatever the number that we are getting, right, if there is any carry we will add it to the next basically, right? So let's try to solve this problem. I will just take this as an input and see what if it works or not. Okay, I'm just taking this one here. Okay, I'm just pasting. Okay, I will try to solve the problem here. Okay, test equals to sum L1 L2. Okay, and print test. Okay, let's try to solve the problem. Okay, so what we are doing here is, like, we are going to solve this problem using Python program. Okay, using Python language. So what we have done here is, like, we have just taken one function which will take two input. Okay, which is of list type basically. Okay, and we will try to see how we can solve it, right? So to sum we have got L1 L2. Okay, now see what we need to do. As I mentioned, right, as per the question, right, if there is any carry forward, right, we have to do basically a sum, right? Like if there is any carry, right, we need to include that number during the sum, right, operation. So here also we will try to do the same thing. Okay, uh, let's take a new variable called carry equals to 0. Okay, so what's the question? We have to store that number in list format, right? So we will take one more list over here. L3 equals to list. Okay, now let's see what we need to do. As you can see, right, we need to add the first digit with the first digit, sorry, first index of the list 1 with the first index of the list 2, right? Similarly, the index 2 with index 2 of the list 2. Similarly, index 3 of the list 1 should be added to the index 3 of the list 1, list 2 basically. Okay, so let's see how we can implement that, right? So for this, right, since we need to add, we basically need to do a iteration, right? So what we are going to do is we will write a if while loop. Okay, while I is greater than length of L1. Okay, what is I? We have to declare that thing as well, right? So let's declare I equals to j equals to 0. Okay, I'm giving OR operation. You will see why I'm doing the same. Okay, so my mistake, it should be less, right? Till then only it will continue. Length of j or carry, right? If any of them is true, right, then it should enter this loop. Okay, now let's see. We need to do the sum, right? So what we will do is, here we are going to take, so here as I mentioned, right, we need to do a sum, right? So I will say take a new variable called total equals to L1 of I plus L2 of j plus carry, right? Basically this is the operation, right? How we do a sum of two number plus if you have the carry, right? So this is we are getting some value, right? Okay, one more thing, I missed that one. So let's say if we have just only two, right? So what will happen here as per the question, right? The first index should be added to the first index of the second list. Similarly, second index has to be added to the second index. The third index is not here, right? So it means it has to be added to the 0, right? And since we don't have third index, if we are going to using this one, right, the j, it will say third, right? Basically we are like, as per the loop, we have to iterate it, right? So we need to add it 0 over here, right? So how we will add the 0? So for this we will give a conditions over here. Let's say value 1 equals to, what should be my value? Tell me. You can think of, right, like, okay, how we are going. Did you got any idea like how should we doing it? Okay, let's see. So how are we going to do is like this will be my value, right? If I is less than length of L1, right? Else 0. Getting my point? I think you should get it. Similarly, L2 of J, if J is less than length of L2, right? Else 0. Getting my point? So instead of this writing here, right, we will say value 2 and value 1, correct? So num equals to total percentage 10 and carry equals to total. Let's print it. Even I don't remember right now what is this, what is the, how to get the in, basically the quotient and reminder, right? So let's try to print it. It says return, right? So I will just say return 1 for example, just to be right. See, 7, right? Number is, so okay, number, and let's see, right? What is 0? Okay, now here it should be 10. Let's try running it again. Yeah, see here. So this is my number, right? And this is my carry. You're getting my point, right? So like if you see, right, we have added 2 plus 5, right? So it is 7, right? So number is 7 since, okay. And if there is any reminder, then it will come under 0, right? So let's add, see here, you will get to know. I will just give an 8, right? So now we will see, right? Number is 0, right? And carry we got as 1. So I think, hope you got the point, right? What I'm trying to say, right? So what I'm going to do, I plus to 1, j plus equals to 1, right? Okay, now L3 dot append num, then return L3. Let's see how it works for us. Okay, int has line number 20, where, let's see, line number 20. Line number 20, integer has no length, it has for, okay, let me debug where it, so let's see where we are getting the error, right? So I don't see any error over here. Let's debug it. I length, okay, see here, right? I should have given L2. Let's see if we are able to solve the issues. See here, right? So if we add it, right, let's do a number. 8 plus 1, right? 0. 6 plus 4, 1. 10, right? Another 1. 3 plus 1, 4, right? So here we have got output as 4, right? 0, 1, 4, right? I'm going to remove this one. I hope I was able to make you understand, like, okay, what is my question and what I am trying to solve, right? How we are going to solve it, right? So this I'm going to remove it. Let's try running some more example. Just give see 9 or what is coming it, right? So you you got my theory, right? Like how we are going to solve it. So what was the question? Now the question is, it says, right, since we have added it, right, we need to print in this format 807 seems like, or no, let me see it. You may assume the two number do not contain any leading zero except the zero itself. Okay, add just two number and return the sum as a linked list. Okay, so they are going to solve it as linked list. We are not going to solve this thing. Okay, till here I think if you are able to solve it, then I think the people who are asking you the question, right, at the during the interview, they should be okay. So you can just go through it. Let's do it one more time to make. I will just try to make you understand in a very layman language, right? So what we have done is I've just passed two variables, right, L1 and L2. Okay, I've just created four variables: carry, L3 new list basically, and two new variable starting with from 0. And I've just iterated during a while loop. Okay, and just try to find the word what is my sum and what is my remainder, quotient and remainder basically, right? And then I'm just appending that number to the new list. I hope you got the like the way I'm trying to make you understand. So let me know, go through my videos, let let me know your thoughts, like, okay, how you are getting the questions and how I'm trying to make you understand. If it looks okay, just message me or add comments in the videos. Okay, I will go through your comments. I will try to solve out if you have any problem. Okay, thank you, see you later.